Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Firefox as default PDF viewer on your Windows 10 PC. For this, first select any PDF file and then right click on it, and in the pop-up menu select open with, and then select this one option, choose another app. In the pop-up window select Firefox and then check this one option. Always use this app to open .pdf files and then click on this one OK button. Now when you will double click on the any PDF file on your Windows 10 PC, it will open with Mozilla Firefox. Just double click on it and you can view that PDF file in Mozilla Firefox browser like this.